Hi, boys and girls. So, I am here to teach your math lesson just a little bit differently than normal. But you see on my screen, I will be showing your math pages just like we always do. So, make sure you have your math packets in front of you and your screen should look like, or your paper should look like my screen. So, take a look at this picture. This girl has some cars. She has some red cars and some yellow cars. How can we see if they have the same number of cars? Well, let's count and find out. I'm going to use my red. You can use your red crayon, and we're going to count them. One red. I'm crossing it out so I know I counted that one. And I'm going to put a red X up here. Two red cars. So have two red X's up here. Three red cars. So put another X. And four red cars. And put another X there. So how many red cars are there? One, two, three, four. There are four red cars. Now let's count the yellow cars. I'm going to switch to yellow. One yellow car. Two yellow cars. Three yellow cars. And four yellow cars. How many yellow cars were there? One, two, three, four. There are four red cars. There are four yellow cars. They are the same. So the word we use in math is they are equal. They are equal to each other. I'm going to write the number 4 so that I know that there are 4 red and 4 yellow. They are the same. Now let's take a look at our math video.
How do you compare two groups? Let's find out. How can you compare the green and orange yo-yos?
How can we compare them?
To compare, you need to match them 1 to 1. How can you match them?
How can we match the yo-yos if we want to compare them 1 to 1? Let's keep watching.
You can line them up and draw lines to show how they can be matched. What does the picture show?
So look, they lined them up and then they drew lines. What does the picture show? Tell the guest teacher. What do you notice? Let's see what the video says.
The yo-yos were matched by moving them and drawing lines. You see that every yo-yo has a match. There are no extras. Every yo-yo has a match. There are no extras. That means the groups are equal. Let's try another one. How do you compare these two groups of yo-yos?
Look at these two groups of yo-yos. Let's try it. So we're going to drag the yo-yos to the squares. One red, one blue. One red, one blue. One red, one blue. Oh no, we have one more red yo-yo. So are these two groups equal? They are not equal because we have one extra yo-yo. Let's keep going.
You can draw lines to match them. Is the number of red yo-yos equal to the number of blue yo-yos?
No.
No, the groups are not equal. How do you know?
How do we know?
There is an extra yo-yo that does not match. How does the picture show that they are not equal?
Raise your hand and tell the guest teacher, how does this picture show us that they are not equal? I hope you said, look, there is one extra yo-yo that does not have a line, so they are not equal. Let's see what the video says.
There is not a line connecting the last red yo-yo to a blue yo-yo. Now you know how to compare groups by matching.
Great job. So we are going to keep working in our books. Now my page looks different than normal because mine is a digital one. And so you will need to turn to the next page. Remember, we lift up just one page, lift it up and flip. So then your page should match mine. Let's see. Look at these tops. We are going to draw lines to connect the tops to show if they are equal or not. So let me get my pencil tool and you get your pencil. So we are going to connect. Start at the top with a red and draw your line down to make a match. Start at the top, draw a line down to make a match. Start at the top, draw your line down to make a match. Start at the top, draw your line down to make a match. Are they equal? Do we have any yo-yos that are extra that don't have a line? We don't. They all have a line, so they are equal. So we are going to circle all of the tops because they are equal. Nice work. I will wait for a moment and make sure that everyone draw the lines. Did everyone circle to show that they are equal? And the guest teacher can pause the video if we need more time. Turn your page over. Put your finger on apple number 2. Put your finger on apple number 2. Okay, we have some green blocks and some yellow blocks. We are going to draw lines to make matches. So I'm going to get my pencil tool. You get your pencil. Ready? Green down to yellow. Green down to yellow. Green down to yellow. Green. Uh-oh. There is not another yellow. So we will put an X over this group. They are not equal. Show me with your hands. Not equal. Show the guest teacher. Not equal. Nice job. Make sure your picture looks like mine. Put your finger on fish number 3. Put your finger on fish number 3. Look here, we have one orange and one blue. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. There is one orange and one blue. So circle. Nice work. Put your finger on heart number 4. Remember, guest teacher, you can pause this video if you need more time. Put your finger on heart number 4. This time we're going to draw our lines going across to make our matches. Yellow to purple. Yellow to purple. Yellow to purple. Did they each have a match? Yes. So we will circle. They are equal. Show the guest teacher. Yes, they are equal. Show with your hands. Yes, they are equal. Put your finger on hand number 5. Put your finger on hand number 5. Let's see. Red to blue. Draw a line. Red to... Uh-oh. There is not another match. So are they equal? No, they are not equal. Draw an X to show they are not equal. Show the guest teacher they are not equal. Great work. Guest teacher, you can pause the video if needed. Otherwise, boys and girls, turn to the next page. Your page should look like mine. Make sure everyone is there. All right, let's see. On cup number 6, put your finger on cup number 6. We need to draw lines from the blue and purple kites to the red and yellow kites. I'm going to get my pencil. Ready? Connect blue, purple to red, yellow. Connect blue, purple to red, yellow. Connect blue, purple to red, yellow. And connect blue, purple to red, yellow. We have to look closely this time. Do we have any kites that do not have a match? They all have a match, so are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Circle to show they are equal. Great work. Put your finger on tree number 7. Put your finger on tree number 7. Okay, we're connecting the yellow trucks to the red trucks. Yellow to red, 1. Yellow to red, 2. Yellow to, uh-oh, there are 3 yellow trucks, but there are 2 red trucks. They are not equal because we cannot make a match with each one. So cross it out. It is not equal. All right, put your finger on flag number 8. Put your finger on flag number 8. Okay, boys and girls, there are yellow bottomed airplanes and there are blue bottomed airplanes. I'm going to go quiet this time. You try number 8 on your own. I will still be doing the work up here, so you can watch me if you need to, but try it on your own. Here we go. Okay, that was a little tricky because they were kind of all over the place, but look at the airplanes. Did every airplane have a match? Yes, they did. So they are equal. Circle the airplanes because they are equal. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So how many blue were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue. So yes, they are equal. Put your finger on flag number 9, and my pencil tool went a little silly there. Put your finger on flag number 9. Okay, for number 9, this is a little different, so make sure you're listening to directions. I want you to draw a circle around the yellow counters that is not equal to the number of red counters. So we need to count the red counters first. Remember, we can cross them out as we count them. So let's count in the kite number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to count the yellow counters and see which group is equal first. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These have 5. How many are over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. These only have 4. The direction said to circle the group that is not equal. So which one should we circle? Raise your hand and tell the guest teacher. Which one should we circle that's not equal? Yeah, we're circling this because it's not equal. 4 is not the same as 5. It is not equal. All right, great work. Let's see what the next page is. The next page is that homework page. Guest teacher, look at the time. If you need to have additional work time, you can have the students practice these pages with you too. But if you do not have time, it's okay, because remember, boys and girls, this can always go home for some extra practice to show your families what you learned today. Great job. I hope that you have enjoyed learning about equal groups today. Great work.